Next time you have to bring your snowmobile to the service center, firstly, when you walk in the door, have a good attitude. Being mad or angry, it isn't always going to help. Another thing is, be able to explain the problems, what happened, how it happened. The more information you give to your technician, the easier it's going to be for them to figure it out, and that hopefully can even keep the cost down. And speaking of cost, agree on a price, agree on a max that you want to go before they have to call you. That'll make it easier for them to get the job done in an efficient manner. And fourthly, if it's the middle of the season, don't expect to get it right away. Be realistic on a time frame. It'll just make it that much easier in the long run. And that's my K&N Tech Tip.